This is Giant's Milk. Game of Thrones, Giant's Milk. So when it's cold, you always need some brandy in you, okay? So our brandy is Hennessy. I know many of you can go, well, that's a cognac. A cognac is a brandy. So let's begin with Hennessy. It's Giant's Milk, so you need a lot. The only thing that can hold off White Walkers is fire, Valyrian steel and dragon glass. We got fire right here. A Lannister always pays his debts, but they love gold, okay? So we have Goldschlager for our Lannisters. You see gold flakes floating around in there? Now it's Giant's Milk. So let's hit it with some white chocolate liqueur, nice and creamy and milky. Continue with that creamy feel. We have here rum chata. So this is a rum cream. Like Bailey's is an Irish cream. Rum chata is a rum cream based on horchata. They take horchata and you spike it so you get rum chata. Last, we need a bit of Conor McGregor, my Irish brothers, okay? So we can go hit it with the old classic Bailey's Irish cream. So now we need some ice, okay? And this ice is from the wall up north. You notice how clear it is? You can see me in it. Oh yeah. Woo. Okay. Okay, so now if you're complaining about it spilling everywhere, did you watch the episode where Thorman Giant's Bane talked about drinking Giant's Milk? When he drank it, he spilled it everywhere. So I'm just being true to the character. Wow! This is real, man. Ooh. To Jon Snow, King of the North, last of the Targaryens. Stay tipsy, friends. Stay tipsy and try Giant's Milk. Wow, this is good stuff.